Can the PNB MetLife Saral pension plan assure you a guaranteed pension to enjoy your golden years stress-free? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. So before analyzing this policy, let us first understand what is PNB MetLife Saral pension plan is about. So this is a single premium, non-linked, non-participating, individual, immediate annuity plan. And some of the key features of this policy are you need to make a one-time payment and you can secure guaranteed income for life. And you also have the option to receive your annuity payments in monthly, quarterly, half-yearly or yearly installments. And you can also ensure lifelong income for your spouse even after you're gone. And you also have access to liquidity upon the diagnosis of any of the 20 listed critical illnesses. And you leave a legacy for your loved ones with a return of capital upon your passing. So these are some of the key features of this policy. Now let's take a look at the advantages and disadvantages of this policy. So let's start with the advantages. So you may take a loan against this policy anytime after 6 months from the date of commencement of the policy. And you have a hassle-free one-time investment in this plan which offers you regular income which can be considered as advantageous. And now if you look at the disadvantage, that would be your annuity payments are fully taxable and the annuity here is not adjusted for inflation and there are limited annuity options for you to choose from. So these are some of the disadvantages of this policy. So now as we have a basic understanding of this policy, let us move on to analyzing whether investing in the PNB MetLife Saral pension plan will be worth investing or not by evaluating the estimated potential returns. So let us calculate the internal rate of return IRR of this policy based on the policy details given in the policy brochure. So let us assume just for calculation purpose that a 60-year-old male purchases the PNB MetLife Saral pension plan with a one-time payment of 50 lakhs. So he opts for plan option 1 which is life annuity with return of 100% of purchase price which provides him with an annual annuity of 2.86 lakh rupees. So upon his death, the purchase price of 50 lakhs is returned to his nominee. So assuming a life expectancy of 85 years, the IRR for this cash flow is 5.61% as per the PNB MetLife Saral pension plan maturity calculator. This return is below average and additionally the annuity amount remains fixed throughout your lifetime which may not be enough to keep pace with rising expenses and increasing healthcare costs. A step-up income is essential during retirement to offset inflation. So another limitation of this plan is the restricted access to your funds. The invested corpus cannot be accessed except under certain conditions or upon death. So given the low return, fixed annuity without inflation protection and limited fund access, the PNB MetLife Saral pension plan may not be a suitable choice for generating post-retirement income. So what can you do instead? So we are going to compare this plan with other fixed return instruments to see whether they can generate us better returns. So fixed return instruments provide a guaranteed regular income stream similar to this plan and serve as a viable alternative to annuity plans like the PNB MetLife Saral pension plan. So here are a few fixed return options that offer higher returns. So Senior Citizen Savings Scheme SCSS with an interest rate of 8.20% and bank fixed deposits FD offer rates between 7 to 8%. So bank fixed deposit FDs offer rates you between 7 or 8% and RBI floating rate bonds with a rate of 8.05% which is subject to inflation. So while SCSS and bank FD provide fixed returns over their respective terms, the interest rate on RBI floating bonds can vary. However, none of these options fully address the need for inflation adjusted income. To achieve that is essential to diversify your portfolio between equity and debt. So let us see an alternative strategy where we can get inflation adjusted income. So let us consider this example scenario for a better understanding. Using the same 50 lakh investment and the annuity amount from the earlier example, we can compare it with a diversified investment strategy. So let us assume a 60:40 ratio split between equity and debt. So 30 lakhs are invested in equity for long-term growth, while 20 lakhs are allocated to debt for regular income. Equity is assumed to generate a return of 12% per annum and debt a return of 6% per annum. So every 5 years, the debt portion is replenished from the equity allocation and withdrawals are increased by 6% to account for inflation. The initial withdrawal amount is set at 2.86 lakhs, matching the PNB MetLife Saral pension plan. At the age of 71, the entire equity portion is shifted to debt for greater stability. Even with this shift, the investment corpus outlasts you, leaving around 1 crore at the age of 85, double the purchase price of the PNB MetLife Saral pension plan. So the 60:40 ratio and the shift to debt at age 71 are just for example purpose and can be adjusted based on your risk tolerance and your goal. This strategy not only provides you with inflation adjusted income but also ensure your corpus lasts longer than compared to the annuity plan. So what is the final verdict on the PNB MetLife Saral pension plan? Is it worth investing or not? As you can see, this plan provides a steady income that may feel sufficient in the early years of your retirement. However, over time, inflation erodes the purchasing power of your annuity. So a robust retirement plan should not only cover rising day-to-day expenses but also be prepared for unexpected emergencies. Unfortunately, with the PNB MetLife Saral pension plan, your funds are locked, limiting your ability to address such emergencies, and it also has a high agent commission. So maintaining your lifestyle after retirement and being able to handle contingencies are crucial during retirement. The PNB MetLife Saral pension plan falls short in adapting to changing financial needs, offering neither step-up income to combat inflation nor access to your corpus in times of need. While other fixed return instruments does offer better returns than annuity and can serve as reliable source of regular income, they also lack inflation protection. So to achieve inflation adjusted income, incorporating equity into your investment portfolio is a smart move. So a diversified portfolio enables you to receive increasing income over time while preserving your corpus for the long term and potentially for your future generation. So annuity and pension plans offer one size fits all approach to retirement, but retirement planning should be personalized based on your unique financial goals and how you want to spend your retirement life.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.